So, for the past few weeks, I've been essentially hiding out in my apartment given how cold it's been in Shanghai. This year just felt like a particularly bleak winter, and don't get fooled by the fact that I'm wearing a short sleeves. That's only because I have my heaters full on in my apartment. Every time I step out and feel the cold breeze kind of just like slashing my face, I was like, okay, maybe today is not the right time. So as a result, I ended up spending way more time indoors in my apartment than I probably should have. This morning though, when I woke up and actually saw the sun through my windows for the first time in what feels like forever, I was like, okay, let's make a vlog. So I guess welcome back to my channel. Wow, I didn't really realize how much work I still have to complete over the weekend. First of all, I'm traveling to Hong Kong and Japan next week with my friend Renting. I mean, we only booked the hotels and flights, but we haven't really figured out in terms of places we want to visit and how we want to get around different places. So a lot of logistical side of things that need to be sorted out. Secondly, as much as I don't want to work overtime for my 9 to 5 during the weekend, but I do have some leftover projects from last week that I absolutely have to deliver by end of Sunday. So that's why we found a coffee shop so we can sit down and do some work. Well, as you can see, we ended up at the gym because we just want to burn some calories after our lunch. So, yep, come join us for a quick workout.
Yeah. Dear son, I'm spitting this before you fresh out. If I said I was blessed before, man, let's get in depth now. Give me a sec, yo, I gotta step out. The moment we saw the ultrasound, my heart skipped a step. Wow, the beauty of creation, I seen too much to wonder how it feel to take your first breath for you. I would never double down. That word will be my truth to make your mother proud. Where we grew up, it was like summer house. I ain't raised you anywhere they could run you down. Just playgrounds, no spray grounds, unless it's a backpack you leaving out the front door with. In the moments I'm recording it, got to the point where we affording it. So I'm doing more with it than just scorning it. Finally found in the most and I'm sourcing it. If they left you, damn, why you forcing it? Ain't missing no meals, so I'm coursing it. Get off your high horse, I'm still portioning it. It took T&E, but now you see it in the coordinates. It's more of a connection with you, my boy, than I ever had. Proudest I ever been, let's just call it that. More of a spade from a spade, they ain't carding that. Probably ask why you go hard and rap is bigger than me. This why I go hard with rap, like face the heart of truth. What I'm supposed to really not be vulnerable. You rather me dishonorable just cause you don't know another part of you. I uncover layers like bakers, may you feel this coming from a young savior. Make it look easy when really it got hard to do. But son, this won't be hard to do, and it won't be hard for you. Cause I put that on Alice and you won't have to wonder in this land what your dad would do. Yeah, when it come to you, I heard I gotta stay strong in the times your mother needs some loving too. Just making sure that she comfortable. Thinking one day I'll say that's my son for you. Anything you need, I'll get it done for you. That's why I'm working.
I recently switched to this new gym, which is called 24/7. I think it's a global franchise with branches across different APAC countries. And especially here in mainland China, there are just tons of branches in all the major cities. So it's super duper convenient wherever I go. And their equipments are super top notch, like absolutely high quality. And yeah, they also have a shower room, which is such a great add-on because if I have to go to work after, I can just take a quick shower after my workout.
下一站中山公园，开左边门，可换乘 线村口线。地铁内严禁乞讨、卖艺、兜售、散发小广告等行为。
Next station, 中山馆。
Whenever you're lonely, just pick up the phone and call me. I'll be there. Girl, let me show you my one and only. Like I told you, I'll be there. And if you get blue, I got the loving for you. Yeah, I'll be there. The heartache kills me, but your loving it thrills me. I'll be there.
Wow.
Whatever tomorrow may hold.
Well, I'm not sure if you guys can tell, but we kind of rearranged and redecorated this corner of our apartment. Initially, when we first moved in, it was super duper empty, and the dining table was kind of in this direction, which makes it a little bit inconvenient if I want to watch TV while simultaneously enjoy my meal. So we decided to put 2 shelves here with all of his vinyl records on display, and also added a few more cute little designer toys / figurines on top of that shelf just to give it a bit more colors. And I just like the current aesthetic a lot more. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. So I got this mystery gift box from a friend, and I haven't had a chance to open it, but it looks really fancy, especially the texture is kind of like leather-ish. So yeah, let's unbox it together. This is really cool. Oh wait, I know what it is. It's a manual coffee grinder. Is that what we call it? So I think you just put the coffee beans inside and use the little handle to grind the coffee beans. And then the grounds will just go directly into the drawers underneath. And then you can make your own coffee at home. Recently, I've been thinking a lot about my relationship with this YouTube channel and with content creation in general, because I just feel like I haven't really had the chance to pour my heart into building this channel through consistently filming, editing, and posting content, given that I also have to juggle a lot of other commitments, including my 9 to 5. And at the same time, one of my really close friends back in Singapore, she started doing YouTube a lot later than I did, but she was finally able to hit her 100k subscriber milestone. She was really focused, she was really driven, and posting a lot of relevant content. So she also received a silver plaque from YouTube a couple of days ago, like the, that little thing. I was very proud of her and I was very happy for her, but at the same time, I was just, kind of reflecting on how I wanna build this channel going forward. Yeah, there are just other priorities in your life that you also need to take into account. But I feel like every time I vlog, every time I film about my life, it's always a very pleasant experience just within the process itself. And also the fact that I'm able to share it with a lot of you guys just makes me even happier. But yep, thank you guys so much for watching and see you guys in the next one. Bye.